So I just stumbled upon this concept about Ghost, the open source CMS, and it's really intriguing how it's designed for independence.
Right? I mean, the idea that it allows users to have total control over their content and data is pretty revolutionary.
Exactly, but it also got me thinking, how does that independence play out in terms of user experience? Like, is it too technical for some?
That's an interesting point. The learning curve can be steep for newcomers, but once they get the hang of it, the flexibility is amazing.
For sure, it's like having a smartphone with tons of features, but if you don't know how to use it, it's just a fancy brick.
Haha, exactly. And Ghost tries to address that with their quick start installs. They make it easier to get started.
Wait, I read something about a CLI tool for installation. That's so geeky but kind of cool.
Totally. It's like giving developers a toolkit to customize their site just how they want. But what if someone isn't tech savvy?
That's the catch, right? They do have the Ghost Pro service, which takes care of all that complexity for you.
Yeah, and it's brilliant because all revenue goes back to the Ghost Foundation. That feels good to support open source.
But doesn't that also raise questions about sustainability? What if funding dwindles?
Great point. While they have a solid backing now, relying on sponsorships can be risky. It's a balancing act.
And the whole idea of contributors is fascinating. It's like a communal brain working on the project.
Right? Crowdsourcing development can lead to rapid innovation, but it can also lead to conflicting ideas.
I can see that. It's like trying to harmonize a choir. Everyone has a unique voice, but too many could drown each other out.
Exactly. And while diversity of thought is good, it can also slow decision-making.
This is where clear leadership comes into play, right? Like, how do you ensure everyone's voice is heard?
Leadership is vital. They probably need facilitators who can mediate discussions while keeping the vision intact.
That's a tough role to fill. I wonder how they handle disagreements within the contributors.
They likely encourage open dialogue, which fosters innovation but can be challenging to manage.
Totally, and I love that they have a community forum for support. It creates a sense of belonging.
Yeah, community support can be a game changer. It's like having a safety net when you're trying something new.
But is it really enough? What happens when you hit a wall that the community can't solve?
That's tricky. Ghost Pro users have 24/7 support, but open source users might feel a bit stranded.
Right? It's like when you're lost in a foreign city. A local guide can help, but if you're on your own, it's daunting.
Exactly. So, while Ghost promotes independence, it's a double-edged sword. You need knowledge and a support system.
And let's not overlook the licensing. MIT license is great for freedom, but what are the implications?
Well, it means anyone can modify it, but that also opens the door for potential misuse.
So it's this constant tension between freedom and responsibility makes you think.
For sure, the potential for innovation is huge, but it requires a community that holds each other accountable.
Speaking of potential, what about those advanced customizations? They can be amazing, but also risky.
True, customizing core files sounds exciting, but it can also lead to security vulnerabilities.
And isn't that the irony? The very flexibility that makes it appealing can also open it to risks.
Exactly. It's all about finding that balance between innovation and security.
So if we put all this together, Ghost is a great tool, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution.
Precisely. It offers incredible freedom, but also demands responsibility and support from its users.
And that makes me wonder, is the open source model sustainable long-term? What do you think?
It's a challenging question. As we move forward, we might need to reevaluate how we support these projects.
Definitely, it's a fascinating space to watch, and I can't wait to see how it evolves.
Me too. And it's such a good reminder of the balance we need between technology and community.
Absolutely, let's keep an eye on Ghost and see how it navigates these challenges. It's an exciting journey.
For sure, and as things develop, I think we'll have plenty more to discuss. Can't wait.